Every great product starts with an idea and the right technology to bring it to life. For over 25 years, Corengg Technologies has helped engineering businesses embrace digital transformation, turning bold ideas into industry-leading solutions. Every business has unique 2D and 3D design needs. As your technology consultants, we assess your workflow and guide you to the solution that fits your business best. From precise 2D drafting with ZWCAD and AutoCAD to advanced 3D modeling with ZW3D, we equip your team with the tools to design faster and smarter. With NCCS simulation, test performance before you build, reducing cost, risk, and time to market. Bring designs to life instantly with Formlabs 3D printers, precision printing for prototyping, and short-run manufacturing. And it all runs on HP workstations, built to handle the heaviest design and simulation workloads. Trusted by 300+ businesses worldwide, from large OEMs to growing MSMEs. Backed by dedicated support teams across Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Pune. At Corengg Technologies, engineering is more than technology. With 25 years of expertise, we build partnerships that drive your digital transformation and help you innovate faster. Ready to upgrade your design workflow? Talk to a Corengg Technologies consultant today.